Hey guys, Abby here. Today I'll be showing you how to make a vanilla latte on the Barista Express by Breville. Also, let me know if you want me to do a tutorial on how I make my vanilla syrup. And also, make sure you subscribe below. I want to be a part of your family. And I'm trying to do a heart, but it's only half a heart because my other hand is using it to film. Boo. Good morning. So today I'm going to show you how to make a vanilla latte on the Barista Express by Breville. First and foremost, on this machine, you want to make sure that you have enough water. So then look on the side. Here's the water tank here. This is the max amount of water and the least amount of water right here. You're going to go ahead and make sure you also have beans in your hopper and turn on the machine. And I already have the grind amount and let me see if I can focus that. The grind size already preset, and I have to change it depending on what beans I use. I can't remember what I have in there right now, but I'll try and make a video of the next batch of beans that I use and what setting works best for it. And then, oh, looks like my husband made coffee earlier, so I'm going to have to go ahead and dump that. So I'm going to go ahead and come over here. I'm going to dump it. Settings right. And you're just going to lightly tap it in. First, what you're going to do is take your mug, fill it with a little bit of hot water. That way, when the espresso comes out, it does not like shock the espresso. So I'm going to wait for that to come out, and while that comes out, I'm going to take out my espresso here. I'm going to tap this down with my hand, and then I'm going to use the tamper to tamp it all down. You're going to insert it kind of sideways, and then you're going to twist it and lock it in place. So now I have my hot water in here. I'm going to let it kind of sit here for a second. That way the hot water just kind of makes the mug nice and warm. And then I'm going to take my vanilla syrup. You can use whatever vanilla syrup you use, but for me, I make my own. And that's why it's this richer color here. Go ahead and dump your water. So now it's all empty, and I eyeball it, so I put in 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to set the mug right underneath just so you can try and see that in there. Looks great. I'm just going to swish it around a little bit because the vanilla, that way the vanilla incorporates itself with the espresso. And I'm going to leave it right here. And I'm going to go ahead and show you, I already put milk in here. And I put it right at the tip, right at the end where, right around here, is where I stop my milk. So you turn it off before you put it back in. But then you can turn it back on. I'm going to tip it kind of to the side here. It's kind of going around like a circle, like counterclockwise. So I'm going to keep doing that until it's a little, makes the milk just slightly warm to the touch, and then I'm going to stop. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and stop putting in extra air in there. I like to set it down like this. You can Keep frothing if you want, but I prefer to stop putting air in at once this gets just slightly warm. And then I'm going to watch my thermometer here because I personally, let's see if I can get it to focus. I personally like it at 150. So, but if you like it a little hotter, a little less, or a little colder, then you can do it to whatever you want. Okay, so it's right at 150, so I'm going to stop it. And then set this down. So I'm going to lift this. And then usually you want to go ahead and clean it off. So I already have hot water right here. And go ahead and turn on the steamer again, or the steam on again once the water heats up. That way it can take out the extra milk. And then I have my milk here, and I like to swirl it a little bit and give it a little tap, swirl, and then I'm going to go ahead and pour it. Now this, I'm not going to do any latte art, I'm just going to go ahead and pour. You can see it's really good foam. And that's how you make a vanilla latte